Probably, guys, with the Filecoin, I'm gonna lose the money, and I think a lot of people will lose the money with the Filecoin. So with this dump on the COVID dump low, historical all-time low, a lot of people lost even the hope. I'm in losses now. My entry around here, around 13, because so I'm down like. Around like 577% up. I can only maybe out at a break even. So that's why I told you maybe I will not wait some tokens to the main targets. You know, of course, it's possible to reach the 38 or 48. You know, it's possible to reach. Everything is possible in crypto, you know, but the same way it's possible to see the listing of the Filecoin. I'm stuck in this token around here. You know, in November, somebody won. Even in November, somebody won. So this is the bad experience personally for me, because the altcoins drop it down. BTC hit new all-time high in November, right? And on the correction, it looks logical, because, you know, when the chart looks like this one here, you can't know. Maybe this is a correction and the new impulse up will be. So in the present moment, you can't know. That's why you take an action or not. And I take an action, and I bought around 50. After that, I've been in crazy losses. You know, I'm not realizing that losses. When we dump it low around some 23, I bought it again. So my entry become around 12 or 13, something between the 15 and the $12, you know, and of course, here I'm not out at the break even, because I thought, you know, yes, we're going higher to the main target because this is a monthly gap. But we then landed again down. After that, we bounced it to $8, but I once cut the 50% losses, and here is the result. So yes, guys, sometimes we made a mistake. I need more. Oh, I guess from now I need to 770% up to outer break even. And yes, it can be pretty tough, right? But what I can do now? Nothing. So I just I understand the risk, and yes, it's pretty sad to lose the money, but I hope we'll recover back. Imagine the hype for the people. If, for example, just in theory, the market will recover back, you know, and we will see that altcoin season. And when we see something like this one chart, of course, at least we can bounce to not maybe this one like 129 or even to new all-time high. No, I don't want to talk about that one. Just a small bounce, pull back to $48. 48, or maybe test of the monthly gap like $38, maybe the 50%, $43. It's possible, and it will be like 2,500% gains, right? So for that, guys who want to buy now, for example, up to their own risk, you know, the Filecoin looks pretty okay token. For me, it will be pretty horrible. That's why, guys, I add many alerts for tokens on a spot position, you know, to out at the break even, because I totally understand it's no make sense, right, to waste the time. Again, for example, if someone and if the market recover back here, my just break even, it will be someone 800% profit. And I understand it's logical to out at a break even, because some people will fix the profit to pray. So, oh, maybe I will see that 200% gains. No, makes sense. Once again, it's a bad risk ratio. That's why, guys, yes, to out at a break even, sometimes it's the best option what you can see. And, you know, try to not stock in that. It's not only about a Filecoin. Try to not stock in that psychological moment, you know, when the price recover back to your break even and you start thinking, oh, everything will be okay again. So you can be trapped again. So you're not out here, and you're not out here. And after that, maybe we will see something like this one. So if the market give you the chance after the long-term period, the losses, just take this chance, you know, and out at the break even. Sometimes better, guys, what I realize based on that experience and the bad experience, it's trade maybe on the futures with the stop losses than just stock with a DCA strategy, stuck in a spot, because you froze the money for the next 3 years. And maybe you will never out at a break even again. That's why, guys, technically, of course, we can't know. Maybe if the Filecoin like Cardano will be delisted from the Binance tomorrow. We can't know. All of that roadmaps, all of that promises from the Filecoin, absolutely no make sense. Just no make sense, guys. Take a look at the opens. So at least we can see the test of the yearly open. It's $4.97. For me, it's not will be even close to 50% of the losses. That's why I'm now, or I lose everything, or I will out at break even. That's the point. And even if the Filecoin after the 14, for example, dollar or the $12 will go to the moon to $50 to the $100, I will don't care. So that's the point. You have to make a deal with yourself. You know what is interesting? I think if we will see the recover move, I don't think so. We will go like this one. No, basically it's a drop and price always move like this one, or going down, or drop like this one to the zone of interest, because we move from liquidity to liquidity and go down. Honestly, I don't think so. Now we will reach this area. Everything is possible, you know. Once again, everything is possible. Open the chart of Zcash. So the privacy token, how the privacy token can pump like this one? How? The privacy token now Zcash at the high of 2021. Why the Filecoin not pump it like this one? I have no idea. So the old token, the same like a FIL. So what's the difference between the privacy token and some file storage? So kind of interesting how the market makers decide which token pump or not pump. All right, so anyway, this is global targets. Maybe we will reach that targets. Fundamental value of this token on the monthly, now it's $8.05. A buy line on the monthly, $10.86. Take profit, $21.46. Exit line, $24.27. So this is it. Some of these targets will be reached sooner or later, I believe. And just question when. Also, you have to keep in mind these lines are dynamic. We sweep it, the cover dump low, so we can delete this one. Yearly open now it's 493. So definitely we will, I think, bounce to this area, because imagine since December 24 we're in downtrend. It's madness. So we all cook it. Here the take profit line is 555, exit line 624. So once again, can we drop lower? Yes, we can be even delisted. Nobody will tell you the future, guys. Nobody. If somebody will tell you we definitely passed at the bottom, now recover back, he can't know. The Cardano also dump it here, trade and delist. So where the 100% guarantee the Filecoin will be not delisted from the Binance? There is no guarantee. That's why if, for example, this is a downtrend line, you know, so this is a like downtrend, definitely we need to bounce to the take profit, 556 with retest or without, we can go higher, 626. If this is not a pure scam, we can't know. This liquidity pool is looks attractive. I'm gonna add a later alert here to be ready out. So maybe I will not wait even the out at break even, because I'm better cut some losses, you know, but save the main money. All right, but sometimes it's happened, guys. Sometimes it's happened. And now we trade on a daily time frame at the buy line. Take profit line is $2.92. It even sounds weird right now. Take profit line $2.92. Imagine. At $2.50, we thought it was at the bottom. Here is a $3.29. It's an exit line. That's why, guys, yes, for me, it's a bad experience, but it's an example, one more example. So fundamental mean nothing, absolutely nothing. After the years, you know, the Linea, the Zcash, the Starknet, the Ivo, the Jupiter, maybe many fresh tokens which listed this cycle just will be vanished from the market like a Filecoin. The same story. At daily time frame, guys, no accumulation on direction indicator. Fun. Weekly time frame, some accumulation was here. So I hope some smart guy accumulate for at least some bounce like this one. So if we will repeat this bounce like 286, so it can be the size of $10.27 maybe. Monthly, we at the bottom. So technically it's good. Technically, guys, it's good, but we can't know what who stay behind this project. What do they have in mind? We're in a crazy. Also, one of the reason why I bought more Filecoin, because we traded long-term periods in a crazy capitalization zone on the monthly. Here we also trade in a crazy capitalization zone, but after one bottom, we can see another one. And we can't know in the present moment, will we pass the bottom or not? So we sweep the historical all-time low. Guys, under, it's just open space. We can't know. Nobody know where this stock will stop, where the market makers will stop this stock. That's why we can work only with the own risk management and the money management. So that's it. Only one thing is what we can control. Take a look at the last indicators, money power. No money inflow now on a daily. The last one, the money inflow was here in September. We bounced it. Small bounce back. Here's a RSI bullish divergence. Now we drop it down to the bottom. No money inflow. Drop it down to the bottom. No money inflow on the weekly. Monthly, some money inflow. 1, 2, 3 here. 3 months here. I guess and I hope $1.96, $2.44. It was some entry of some guys. So I will be not surprised if they will fix 100% withdraw initial deposit at the yearly open test. Would be logical, because imagine that if November will go down again, everybody is wrecked. Just everybody, literally everybody, for any token. And the problem, guys, with the tokens farming. So in 2021, there was only 20K tokens exist on the crypto market. Now it's 26 million. So we cooked with all of this propaganda about decentralization, about some easy money, about these launchpad platforms. So the people cooked. Here that 12 time frame, no, let's check the daily. Here is a sell, buy back, take profit, buy. Now it's good. Weekly, still no take profit zone. Still no take profit signal. Here's a sell, buy back. No take profit. It's kind of weird. And the monthly, one and only signal to buy was here. All of that signals was to sell on the monthly. Some buybacks, and we bounce it. At least would be good in November to see some buyback. And I don't know, $5.45, $10 sweep. And after that, we need to see the updates. So guys, my conclusion is definitely we will bounce to test if this is not a scam and it will be not delisted from the Binance, we will test the yearly open, one tick. Second one, I guess we will sweep the 847 and 1189 to close this full field. But what will be after, it's hard to say. It depends of the mood on the market and the BTC dominance. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what you think about Filecoin. If you'd like to trade as my customer, because I will show it on this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.